Was it quite a strong community once, where, you know, that everybody knew each other?
Yes, it was almost you met people, you know, as you were going and coming.
Yeah. And was your house in, do you think it was in a good state? I mean, it wasn't falling down, or?
No, it wasn't falling down in any way. The houses come before people in Bootle these days. And the Labour Party, or whoever is responsible, well, they're supposed to be put out. And where's your MP?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I've never had much success getting hold of Joe, I must admit. Joe is not the easiest person to get hold of sometimes. I know I try and ring him a lot, and you know, it doesn't unfortunately ring back. So, were you married when you lived there? Were you married anytime? You always lived there on your own?
I looked after my mother at home.
So yeah.
Because I had been 12 years in the National Service Reserve and worked for 38 years.
In the NHS, did you say?
No, I worked at the last place I worked at was the Inland Revenue.
Right, okay. So, I take it you had a lot of memories associated with that?
Oh yes, well I knew every break in it more or less.
Well, I think that'll do.
They have got too much power in Bootle. Whoever has got too much power.
Sorry. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
I hope you let people know what's going on. Because we're only one step short of the bomb and the bullet on Bootle.
Of what, sorry? What did you say? One step short of what?
The bomb and the bullet.